Hey, what is going on, guys? How you guys are doing? And happy Tuesday to each and every one of you. If you're not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell. So every time I push out new videos to you guys gonna be the first one to be notified. Now, give this video a like or a thumbs up. It's gonna help with the YouTube algorithm of getting my video out there to the masses for each and every one for you to see around the world. And you know I have to throw out that disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a simple guy on YouTube just showing you my journey on how I'm making passive income and helping others to do the same around the world. So let's get right into it. I'm super excited of this opportunity. I've been a part of this opportunity since October of 2025, and it has been a blessing. Okay, this is a real opportunity that has a real hard asset through tokenization, and you can earn fractional, you can own fractional shares of real properties and make passive income on. Okay, very simple. Think of your typical REIT stock, real estate investment trust stock. It operates just the same as a REIT stock. But the only difference here in real estate tokenization from e-estate, you're earning 10 times more than your typical stock, all right? This outbeats your 401k, right? That you can't even touch until you're 65. This outbeats your high yield savings account, okay? That gives you less than 1% a year in the banking system. All right. Well, sometimes in high yields around 3%, right? 3-4% a year. But your typical bank percent is usually within less than 1% a year, right? Or 1% at most, right? But this still outbeats all those guys, even the stocks, right? By far. This averages anywhere from 6 to 20% on a monthly basis until the 18 months is up. Then it goes to a second phase that you earn a 10% dividends every single year, which is amazing, which I love, right? Your money is making money. This is what the rich has been doing for a long period of time, and now you have an opportunity of a lifetime here, guys. So if you guys want to learn more on how this works and how you can start benefiting of this amazing passive income from real estate, make sure you go to the link in the description right below this video and watch all the videos. Okay, you're going to put your name and email address. Once you do that, you're going to get a verification right away in your inbox from your spam or your promotional folder or your inbox, one of those three. Make sure you click on verify. Once you click on verify, now you will watch the overview video. All right, watch the first overview video, and then from right below it, you're going to watch all the remaining videos right below it, and you're good to go. It's going to break everything down in detail, step by step, on how you can get started, how you can fund your account, and everything. All right, you must be 18 years of age to participate. Now let's get right into it, guys. We have a new property, which is the new villa property, guys. I'm going to show you guys real quick. This is one of the properties they just dropped very recently in e-estate, right? This is the villa in Maui in Hawaii. Okay, this is your luxury villa in Maui, Hawaii. Offers refined island living with elegant interiors, a private pool and jacuzzi, spacious layouts, and beautiful tropical surroundings. Designed for premium vacation rentals, it attracts international travelers seeking comfort, privacy, and authentic Hawaiian experience. Professional, maintained, and fully equipped, the property generates strong daily rental performance, supported by year-round tourism demand and consistently high occupancy. All right, with premium nightly pricing, global travel demand, and the unique appeal of the Maui Resort market. This villa offers a rare combination of profitability, stability, and long-term value in one of the world's most desirable tourism destinations, right? And you can get started with this property, guys, with $4,950. That give you a projection around $30.20 a day, projection around $634.20 a month. Your break-even point is 7 months. And the maximum token amount for this property is 330,000 tokens. 330,000 people has this is the maximum people who can join, right? Now 3,698 people purchase, right, so far of this opportunity, right, this property here. Okay, so the profits averages anywhere from 0.55 to 0.67% per day. All right, we're gonna see some pictures here, guys, which is awesome. I love this. Is a very beautiful, elegant, high luxury property out in Hawaii. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. Look at this. Look at this, man. This is a breath of fresh air. Now, I hope you guys are liking this, man. This is not no fake properties here. These are real properties, right, that the company earns passive income on, rental income on, right? And we get the daily profits. And the best part of this opportunity, guys, if you're not a person that loves to share it, you don't have to share it. That's the beautiful part about it. You don't have to share it and you still make income. All right. Many people are introverted. They don't like to talk to people. It's okay, right? That's what I love about this opportunity. Most opportunities out there, you have to depend on people. You have to recruit a lot of people to make money. If you don't recruit people, you don't make money. Over here in estate, it's a little different, right? You don't have to bring people if you don't want to, and you can still make money from your own investment. All right. Look at this. Look at this view. All right. Look at that view, guys. The jacuzzi right here. Got the pool. Man, this view. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is a beautiful view, man. Wow. And they have laundry if you want to do your laundry, which is awesome. Shower, bed. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. So beautiful, guys. Yeah, this is it. All right. So we have numerous of different properties, guys. You guys can choose from as well. All right. You can start as a Miami property. Miami properties are starting is around $10. Okay. Now, you know, $10 is just a starting point, just to get started so you can see the progress. But don't stay at $10. Okay. You decide on what amount of money that will work best for you. I can't make that decision for you. You, the only one, can make that decision for yourself and see what's best fit for you and the comfortability of the amount you want to put in. Okay. And if you put $10, you're going to get 84 cents. Break even point is 9 months. Now, if you put $100, 42 cents per day, break even still 10 months, $8.82 a month. Now, if you put $1,000, now it's getting somewhere now. Now you're making $88.20 per month, right? $4.20 per day. If you put 10,000 in here, in the Miami property, you will make $42 per day, $882 per month, right? And $15,876 in 10 months. right? In 10 months, you're break even and you're making a total profit of this amount, 15,876, and has with 36,823 people has bought into the property, right? So guys, take action on this. Don't miss out of this opportunity, because if you miss out, that's on you. Where things are shifting, this is going to create a lot of multimillionaires and billionaires with this opportunity by the year 2030. Okay. And they have a long roadmap ahead of them, right? 10-year roadmap. All right. So I'm going to show you on what I've earned since on the platform. All right, I invested $3,915.66. All right, I've generated $1,598.84, which is awesome, right? And this is rental income. This is income that I didn't have to recruit anyone or anything of that sort. This is from my own investment, and my money is making me money every single day. I average over $20 every single day, which is amazing. You got to ask yourself is this, guys. By you putting this amount of money in your bank account, right? How much is your bank giving you? Right? Let that sink in for a second. How much your bank is giving you? You put in thousands of dollars, like myself. And is it giving you something that you will leave your money in? Right? Because if you keep your money in the banks, right, it's not going to do you no good. It's going to be depreciating, all right, every single day. And look how much it has generated me for the month of March, guys. Over $184.69, right? And I haven't received profits. Later on, I will receive my profits. But this is the amount that I've generated so far in the month of March, right? So this is the time to take action, guys. Don't sleep on this opportunity. Many people are getting in, right? And this is like being in Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at less than a penny back then, over 15 years ago. The people who got in and took action, those folks are billionaires, right? But this is the wave right now where things are shifting. The old way, traditional way is slowly fading out, right? No offense to the traditional old school real estate way, but people are waking up. They don't have to worry about buying a huge house, worrying about if you're going to get your rent this month, that month, be mindful of people. No offense. The squatter situation. You don't have to worry about squatters. You don't have to worry about being a landlord. You don't have to worry about having perfect credit, because these things stops people from buying homes, right? And then the turnaround, your profit, how long that's going to take you to become real profitable, that's going to take years, the old school traditional way. Now, over here in estate, is going to take less than a year. Depending on what property you're invested into, it's going to take less than a year to be profitable. Okay, so these are the properties I have. The villa that has made me well over $1,200 plus since I bought the villa, right? And if you see my numbers, guys, for the past 7 days, I've been generating well over $20 plus every single day. Could you imagine generating $20 in your banking system? You think the banking system will give you this amount on this amount of money? Right? No, absolutely not. All right. Over in estate is doing what it says is gonna do. It's earning you profits on a consistent basis Monday through Friday. So now it's time to take massive action and don't sleep on this opportunity. Many times people see opportunities and let it slip away, and they regret it afterwards, right? They regret it afterwards. And I got exposed to this opportunity on like 2 times, right? First got shared with this opportunity back in July of 2025, and I skipped past it. Only if I took a look at it. Oh man, right? But this is the reason why. Don't prejudge. Watch this video. Watch this video to the very end, right? And you will see for yourself of the profits you will be earning from the property, right? And I must say this, guys, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being loyal subscribers as well. Appreciate you, all of you guys, from the bottom of my heart. And I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, okay? Take action in the link right below this video. Take care and peace out.